Almost dark. Time to run for supplies.
Can I come this time? Please?
No, you're still too young. I want to keep you safe.
I think we should let her come this time. We need all the help we could get.
I agree. We're gonna need more supplies if we're gonna finish the vaccine for the monster disease.
We're running out of time. Who's making the run tonight?
I think we should all go. Strength in numbers, right?
Yes. Finally, I get to go.
Please be careful.
Fine. I promise.
Are we ready then?
Let's go.
All I need is my monsters to take out that last safe house, then territory is mine. Next stop, the whole country.
Stop! Someone's still here.
What was that? What are you all doing here? You're under arrest.
You've been starving us and putting your monsters after us. We should arrest you.
This is anti-monster medicine. We're saved.
Yes.
We did it. Now we can go back to going out in the day.
Woohoo! I've missed the sunshine.
No.
And good riddance.